Hello everyone. Today's topic is social media marketing training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about social media marketing training roadmap, about course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. Now we are discussing about the course. Social media marketing course is a comprehensive program designed to help individuals and businesses master the art of promoting brands, products, and services through various social media platforms. In today's digital age, social media has become a crucial tool for businesses to engage with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. This course equips learners with the necessary skills to develop and implement effective social media strategies tailored to different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. One of the key aspects of this course is understanding the fundamentals of social media marketing. Participants will learn about social media algorithms, audience behavior, and engagement tactics to ensure their content reaches the right people. The course also covers content creation, helping learners craft compelling posts, images, videos, and stories that align with their brand identity. Strategies for increasing follower engagement through interactive content, polls, live sessions, and influencer collaborations are also discussed. Another essential component of the course is social media advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer powerful advertising tools that allow businesses to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. The course provides in-depth knowledge of paid advertising, including how to set up and optimize ad campaigns, budget allocation, A/B testing, and performance analysis. Understanding analytics is crucial in digital marketing, and this training teaches participants how to track key performance indicators, KPIs, interpret data insights, and refine marketing strategies based on real-time metrics. Additionally, the course covers platform-specific marketing techniques, as each social media platform has unique features and best practices. For example, Instagram is highly visual and focuses on aesthetics, while LinkedIn is more suited for professional networking and B2B marketing. TikTok is ideal for short-form video content, whereas YouTube is a great platform for long-form videos and tutorials. Understanding these differences allows marketers to create platform-specific strategies that yield the best results. This course is ideal for beginners looking to start a career in digital marketing, business owners wanting to enhance their online presence, and marketing professionals aiming to upskill in social media marketing. Participants will have the confidence and knowledge to create and manage successful social media campaigns, engage with their audience effectively, and drive business growth through digital marketing strategies. This course is an essential step for anyone looking to thrive in the fast-paced world of social media marketing. Next, we can discuss the prerequisites for social media marketing training. There are no strict prerequisites for social media marketing training, but basic computer literacy and familiarity with social media platforms are beneficial. A keen interest in digital marketing and creativity in content creation can enhance the learning experience. For advanced courses, prior knowledge of marketing concepts or analytics may be helpful. Now we will learn about the eligibility criteria for social media marketing training. Marketing professionals, individuals working in marketing, advertising, or branding who want to enhance their skills in social media marketing strategies and campaign management. Business owners and entrepreneurs, those looking to grow their brand, engage with customers, and drive sales through social media platforms. Social media managers, professionals responsible for managing and optimizing social media accounts for businesses, brands, or influencers. Content creators and influencers, individuals who create digital content and wish to leverage social media platforms for increased reach, engagement, and monetization. Students and fresh graduates, aspiring marketers, business students, or communication majors interested in building a career in digital marketing. Freelancers and consultants, professionals offering social media management, content creation, or digital marketing services who want to improve their expertise and effectiveness. Beginners in digital marketing, those looking to start a career in social media marketing, preferably with basic knowledge of social media platforms and online communication skills. Next, we are knowing about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of social media marketing training. Social media manager manages social media strategies, content planning, and engagement across multiple platforms, ensures brand consistency, and drives audience growth. Typically earns between $50,000 to $85,000 per year in the US. Social media content creator develops engaging and visually appealing content, including posts, videos, and graphics, tailored for different social media platforms. Salaries range from $40,000 to $70,000 annually in the US. Paid social media advertising specialist handles paid ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Focuses on ad targeting, budget optimization, and conversion tracking. Typically earns between $55,000 to $90,000 per year in the US. Social media analyst monitors social media performance using analytics tools, tracks KPIs, and provides data-driven insights to optimize marketing strategies. The average salary is approximately $60,000 to $95,000 per year in the US. Influencer marketing specialist collaborates with influencers to promote brand campaigns, manages partnerships, and tracks performance metrics for influencer-driven promotions. Professionals in this role earn between $50,000 to $85,000 annually in the US. Freelance social media marketer works independently with multiple clients, handling content creation, social media management, and ad campaigns. Earnings vary based on experience, with freelance rates ranging from $20 to $100+ per hour, depending on expertise and project scope. The last topic is the training program, GoLogica Social Media Marketing Training. The social media marketing training offered by GoLogica is designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and hands-on experience in leveraging social media platforms for brand growth, engagement, and business success. This course equips participants with essential skills to develop and execute effective social media strategies, create engaging content, manage paid advertising campaigns, and analyze performance metrics to optimize results. Learners will gain expertise in using major platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest to drive audience engagement and business growth. Throughout the training, participants will explore key topics such as social media strategy development, content marketing, community management, paid advertising, and social media analytics. The course covers best practices for crafting compelling content, scheduling and automating posts, engaging with audiences, and running data-driven marketing campaigns. Additionally, learners will gain insights into social media algorithms, audience targeting techniques, influencer marketing, and SEO integration to maximize their brand's online visibility. The program also includes training on tools like Facebook Ads Manager, Google Analytics, Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva to enhance productivity and campaign effectiveness. This training is ideal for marketing professionals, business owners, social media managers, freelancers, students, and aspiring digital marketers looking to build or enhance their expertise in social media marketing. With expert guidance and real-world case studies, learners will develop the confidence to create and manage successful social media campaigns. After completion, participants will be well prepared to take certifications such as Facebook Blueprint Certification, Google Ads Certification, and HubSpot Social Media Marketing Certification, enhancing their credentials and job prospects. Graduates can pursue roles such as social media manager, content creator, paid ad specialist, influencer marketing manager, and social media analyst across various industries. Additionally, the course provides career support, including resume building assistance and interview preparation, helping learners secure high-demand job opportunities. With the growing importance of social media in digital marketing, mastering its strategies and tools ensures a competitive edge in today's job market.